So this question is the difference between the simple interest and the true discount on a certain sum of money for 6 months at 6% per annum is rupees 27. Find the sum. TD means true discount. So I think before we solve this question, I'll just explain how many of you know what is true discount? Okay, a lot of you are saying true discount means what? Okay, there is a person A, right? He is going to borrow some money from a person B and he has to repay, or I am saying that A is taking a loan from B, and after a period of, let us say, 4 years, okay, after a period of 4 years, A has to repay 180 rupees to B because he has taken a loan from B, and this loan is due after 4 years and he has to pay B 180 rupees, okay. So in 4 years, A has to pay 180 rupees and the rate of interest, let us take it as 20%, okay, and he is deciding that, so what is happening, see there is, I have to pay back 180 rupees in 4 years and the rate of interest that is being used is 20%. So what is the present worth of this 180 rupees? Let us say I am paying it back today. This amount, right, the amount 180 rupees is what is due in 4 years. Correct? So what will be the present worth of this 180 rupees? See what is actually happening. There is a present worth of amount. In that you are calculating a interest. Here it is simple interest, correct? 20 by 100 into 4. Right? This is accounting to 180 rupees. Correct? So what is this present worth equal to? So this is nothing but, so you have present worth into 1 plus 0.8, that is equal to 180, or the present worth is equal to 100. Basically what I am trying to say is, see, A has an amount which he has to repay in 4 years and he has to repay the 180 rupees after 4 years. Now if I am repaying it currently, I just have to give the present worth of this amount which is due in 4 years. The present worth of this amount which is due in 4 years is nothing but 100. Okay, so this loan, if I am actually repaying it after 4 years, I have to pay 180 rupees. But if I am paying it now, right, its present worth is only 100 rupees. If I give 100 rupees now, my loan is done. Okay, now what true discount means is that true discount is nothing but this final amount that you had to pay minus the present worth, right? If I am closing it now, this is what I pay. So 180 minus 100, this is called as the true discount. This is the definition for true discount. Okay, so I hope the concept of true discount is clear to all of you, right? True discount is nothing but the final amount that you have to pay minus the present worth of that amount. And this is generally in cases where somebody is borrowing some money. See, I am taking a loan from somebody and the condition is like this: after 4 years I have to pay back 180 rupees, right? So this 180 rupees is due for me in 4 years. I have to give it back only in 4 years. But if I decide to give back the money earlier, right, if I am giving back the money earlier, what I do is I will have to check the present worth of that money. Let's say I am giving back today. 4 years later I have to pay 180 rupees. But what I am doing is I am giving back the loan today. Right? So what I have to do, I have to check the present worth of this 180 rupees which is due in 4 years. Right? So what is the, and here it is given in the question that I have assumed that the rate of interest that has been calculated is 20%. So whatever be the present worth, in this present worth they are calculating 20% for 4 years, and that's how I am getting this 180 rupees. So if I calculate using normal simple interest formula that we learn, right, what do I get? I get that the present worth of this 180 rupees which is due in 4 years is nothing but 100. Right? So what does that mean? See, present worth means, see, after 4 years some amount is becoming 180 rupees because they are putting 20% interest in it. Now what is that amount? That is nothing but the present worth, because I am going to pay it back today. So the present worth, that is, this is the formula for simple interest, right? See, you have principal into number of years into the rate of interest plus the principal will give you the final amount. Same concept I have used. Instead of principal I have written here present worth, that's all. Okay, because I am going to find out the present worth of the money because I am going to pay it back today. So from this you get the present worth is 100. So what does this mean? An amount of 180 which was due after 4 years, currently it is amounting to 100 rupees. If I pay the loan back today, then I have to pay only 100 rupees instead of paying 180 rupees after 4 years. So this is called as the present worth of the amount. Now, true discount is nothing but the final amount that was supposed to be paid minus the present worth at which you are paying back. That is called as the true discount. Okay? Hope it is clear now. Now, there is a formula to find out the true discount generally, right? See, the formula for true discount is this. Just memorize this formula. The amount, right? The final amount that is supposed to be paid back, correct? Into the rate of interest into time divided by 100 plus the rate of interest into time. Just remember this formula, right? Now, what is given here? The difference between the simple interest and the true discount on a certain sum of money for 6 months at 6% per annum is 27. Find the sum. So, what is the true discount? True discount is nothing but the amount. Let's take the amount to be X. Okay, and here R is given as what? 6%, correct? So 6 by 100 into time, that is for the 6% per annum. So 6 months, right? 6 months means how many years? 1 by 2 years or 6 by 12. That is 1 by 2 years divided by, just I am putting it in this formula, I am not doing anything else. R into T. What is R? R is nothing but, here again, 6 by 100 into 1 by 2, right? This is the true discount. Now, next, what is simple interest? You know simple interest on the same amount, right? The same amount X is what? It is nothing but X into 6 by 100 into 1 by 2. So, this difference is given as 27. Find out the sum, that's all. That's what they are asking in the question. Yes, here in this question, amount is nothing but the final amount that is due. Okay? Right? Now, in the question they are saying the difference between the simple interest and total discount on a certain sum of money. So, that certain sum of money is what is this amount representing. Similarly, the simple interest is also calculated on this certain sum of money, the same X. That's why I take it like this. Okay? So, what do you get here? So, if you solve this, you get it as X into 6 into half by 100, this is equal to 3X by 100. Correct? This will be 3x again by 103. So now you know 3x by 103 minus 3x by 100 minus 3x by 103. This is equal to 27. From this, if you solve, you will get x is equal to 30900. Okay? Yeah. That percentage was there in my mind. I accidentally wrote 6 by 100. Just 6. Just put 6. R is 6. We always put 6 only. No. Sorry. Okay, see, in true discount, when questions on true discount comes, there are two formulas. I hope this is clear, right? I am not going to explain this again. I hope it is clear to all of you. See, I just found out the true discount using this formula. I found out the simple interest and got the answer. Now, see, whenever question on true discount comes, as I said, remember two formulas. The first one is the formula for true discount that I just wrote. That is, true discount is equal to the amount, right? The amount that you have to, that is due into R into T divided by 100 plus R into T. Now, in this question, there is nothing that is mentioned about the present worth. Okay, in case in a question, they are saying that, see in the question, they are saying that I have to pay 180 rupees, which is due in 4 years. So, if they say, what is the present worth of this amount? If something like that comes, just put it in this formula, right? Remember these two formulas, then that should be it. 100 plus R into T. Okay, just remember these two formulas, then you will be able to solve. In this, the amount is the amount that is due in some time. Okay, total discount comes into play when you have questions like a sum of 2,600 is due in 4 years. When such cases comes, this is the amount that I am referring to. Okay, that is the final amount that I have to give after that given period of time. Yes? Okay.